Nasa ka na atas sa temple. Ito diri guys. Magbayad ba sa counter? Uluwatu Temple. Cliff view. Cliff view here in Uluwatu Temple. It's raining guys, so nag-raincoat kami kay raining, pero ang init ng raincoat. Daghan monkey guys. Wala man dili man. Entry here. Nata din here. Entry mga family trips and everything. And everyone. Waiting for the bus, right? Sama mom. Father. At kami sa taas, guys. Mang. Ang duha tas likod. Sa kami sa bukid, no? Nagtanami at dako na statue. Guys, sa taas ano din pagdako Isa man ni Maura dahil na dili.
Putol, walang hiya. Wow. Kasi I fly easy. When I do the differences. So you gotta
History of the world ni Uncle. Kana dirita sa guys sa another na statue. Dako kaayo. Nya wa ta kabaluan ni guys. Sa ngalan. Punta sa taas, guys. Panga kaayo guys. Dirita. Jet ski here in Bali. There you go guys. Got Tony, Jeff and Nick waiting for the jet ski. So here it is. Then waiting for Mama. She went to the toilet. Here comes the family with Tony. They will ride a jet ski this morning. There you go, 3 jet ski for Tony, Jeff, and Nick. Here comes Tony. Here comes the tree. Mag-jet ski silang tatlo. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Jet ski with the family. Pero hindi ako kasama. Sila lang guys. Okay. Oh, daddy. It's Tony. It's Tony. Here comes the tree. Si Tony, si Nikki, saka si Jeff. Look at Jeff. That's Jeff there. Look at the doggy. Oh my god, so cute. There guys. Para ang tulo. Nag-jet ski na ang tulo. So fine naman guys. Oh, di na natin makita. Naami ni Mamang diri naghuwat sa nag-jet ski. Hermang. Relax sa mi diri guys. Oh, andito din guys. Tanaw na to ang unsay naa diri. Ah, kadaghan man dai sa jet ski diri oh. Hello. No. Guys. What beach is this? What beach is this? Welcome to Nusa Dua. So dito yung nagaganap na mga water sports. Ayan, pwede ka mag-jet ski kagaya ng ginawa nila ni Jeff. Then pwede ka ding mag-banana boat at iba pang klase ng water sports. Ayan. And here's Mamang. Nagpapahangin. Okay, pictorial din kami dyan guys. Ayan. There's our activities for today, for this morning. Here comes Nick. There comes Tiki. And Jeff. Tapos na upuan. 30 minutes. There's baba. And the husband is there. Mas Tony. Oh, Tony is there. There comes Tony. Kani? Oh, si Tony na ni. Okay. Here comes Ton. Go, Tony. Na may tao dito apod mag-guide nila.
Adi ka nang mag-rescue ba?
Oo. Sila guys. Mana ang ilang 30 minutes guys. Oh. Si Tony yan guys. Sila Jeff, saka si Nick na ala diha. Welcome to Tirta Temple. Sorry mini Mamang. Nabi sa Tirta Temple guys. Sorry mi diri. Mamang. Si Mamang nakasarong.
Lots of
Lots
fishing
of
here.
fish.
There's fishing, Mama. Fishing. You just have to scoop.
Also, the bottom belongs to Oh, wow. So big. Except of the Tirta temple. Shops around. Nice. I can see you, Mom.
Ate,
I can see you.
you are welcome. Bye, Sarong. Batik Sarong. Hello. Okay, 10,000. Okay.
Crochet.
$1.
Nice
$1.
crochet. That's nice, mother. Wood. Leave me of mangosteen. Kalamig. Yeah, and rambutan.
Are you gonna eat all that?
Ano ka na rice field? Rice field. Naata diri sa isa ka temple. Ah, yan si Mamang nagpahinga kay grabe ka init. Ah, it's okay. Ulit na ni mother. Gihangap mi guys og lakaw.
200 steps.
Wala ta ka to.
Bloody cold beer, mate. Come on. Come on.
Ulit na mi guys, gikan sa falls.